So friends, this is a content manager part 2 here, and last my previous video I already told you what is a content manager and what is the perform in your current content manager and why using a content manager. So what's my previous video because this is a very important for you. And last my content manager part 1 in created network in between two PCs Windows 7, Windows 10, and in this my video I'm start now this showing you Creator Manager how using in these network systems here because this is Creator Manager options using only in network systems here and network security these systems here. So let's start and understand. So first I'm showing you Creator Manager, so you must watch my previous videos and all of my video part was here. Okay, so let's start. So this is a network already I'm creating, and last video I'm just showing you how can we connect with one network to one computer network through other computer. So I'm just using a Connector Manager and using other computer Windows 10. So this is my second my computer Windows 7. You can see here, and you maybe not completely connect, so showing this type not icon here. Okay, and not showing communication. So you completely IP address and completely IP address communication with your other computer. So completely automatically start by API protocol automatically set here. So not understand what is the IP address, what is I will discuss in network video, network series. You can see just here. So this is a Windows 7. In my Windows 7 you can see just here, and my Calendar Manager, how can we using Calendar Manager. So Calendar Manager need first your first step is a network communication, and network completely start your communication with your other computer, and you understand how can we Calendar Manager using for computer. So Calendar Manager always showing with your network here. So not need I'm only talk about I'm only told you, and I'm already tell you previous video. Watch my last video previous video how can we using a Calendar Manager, what is a Calendar Manager. So this is a very important for my computer, and my computer all of you can see just see Windows 7 operating systems here. So this is my and this is my PC one here, Windows 10 here. You can see just here this desktop here. Okay, this is my Windows 10 here, and this my start menu. You can see the same my Windows 10 interface here, Windows partitions here. Okay, so this is my already connected in my network, my Windows 2 operating system, two machine, two computer here. Okay, so we are create first set your password of your computer user. So both computer user using a computer account, user account password you must enter here. So I'm just showing first uh, share your anything your. So first you share anything. So second step is share your any file folder. So I'm partition sharing here. So right click and share, and share mean this is a sharing of partition here. You can see here this my letter showing here, and click on apply, click on OK, and close. That means this my partition share, and this second other opposite computer open this my partition all of data. So that means I'm allow these partition in my network communication. So you need first enter your password, and so password enter only on your account. Okay, your user account. And second step is network communication. Third step is any your folder, your files, your partitions you share. So I'm share this only partitions here, okay, nothing. And why sharing this? Because this is allow my computer to another computer communication for username account here. So this is a very important for other computer here, okay. So I'm just again this folder sharing here. So right click and properties going and going sharing here. So and share these here, okay. This my folder share here. So showing this my folder name, you can see this, okay, mp3, and apply, okay, close, okay. So I'm said these only Windows 10 operating system, Windows 10 operating system in this sharing data. And you can see this my this data here, okay. So I'm again showing you of why is sharing here, because this is sharing system very important for your network communication. Because I'm already talk about last video how can we sharing old generation and after network time. So network generation, computer network generation time and old generation human time. So this is a not need a computer to another computer sharing file for PO anything. So you can see just here, click on here, and you can see just here, this is my Windows 10. So this is my second PC here, you can see just here, this is my second PC too, and Windows 7 here. And I will receive these Windows 10 array, these uh, on operating system here. So first you can see just here, this is my Windows 7, and I will share to Windows 10. So next you can see click on network, you can see my PC1 PC, okay. So this is my PC1, that means my PC here, okay. So this is showing in my network two type network here, two type one network but two type of computer here. So this is my, you can see click on in this showing here username password here, and you can see credential manager last inside this is a showing options here. So that is my you can see just here username password, that means my username password enter opposite you know my opposite personal you know my computer and other computer I'm receive this file already shared. So that is using for my computer and administrator either username or the any name of computer. So enter you are other computer you share file. So my Windows 10 username enter here and password enter. So you must know username password here. Actually multiple and multi high and big company not showing this work, only computer engineer and network engineer. So Canada manager you can see just here Windows 7 this type Canada manager not showing a web credential but just showing only Canada manager. You can see just here, okay. So only showing Windows Vault only, okay. So not showing here this time anything information, and nothing showing information of my computer data and network here, okay. So creator manager why not showing here, because I'm not enter anything information in my, and not I'm joined and not I'm receive other computer, you know, other computer files here not receive, because Windows 10 I'm already create save setting folder, and I'm not enter Windows 7 in username password opposite Windows 10. So this is my second PC, and second PC try to connect with my other Windows 10 computer, but first need username and password. So username password you can enter administrator or you can add local user anything. So in big company not directly showing you username password, this is a network engineer directly set up and set up this type character manager. So you can see here, this is a username, password, and saving here. So you can save from here, and you can save from access time file, share file view. So you can receive here. So I'm not using this tab here because I'm talk about directly receive systems here. So you can see just a computer and receiver from system in data. So you cannot access directly without your username, password. So I'm enter one type of you can see just here computer in system through. So this is a very important for my computer and so other opposite computer. So computer always try to connect my these systems here, username and password. So first you can see just you will enter in domain anything. So first is very important. How can we use systems and so you can see just username and password enter here, and opposite your domain, your server, network, and anything. So I have no any server, and I have no anything domain controller, domain of server. So that is a very important for my opposite receive my computer here. Okay, so this is a very important for me. So check first username. This is my username here. Okay, and password. So not add this my computer opposite uh, enter password and username. So how can we using system and access system, and how can we calendar manager work here? So calendar manager not again start this type you again to again need a login in opposite computer, and again to again ask this type and this type you username password. So calendar management automatically stay here. So I am Windows 10, enter username and password, and you can see and check remember my calendar these options here. So remember calendar I'm checking, that means automatically click OK and automatically save this my system. So I'm already, you can see just open my all of file. I'm already saved this in my Windows 10. You can see same mp3 in you can see just here. So I can manage, I can handle, I can copy, but I cannot delete here. I cannot move, I can copy only because this is the permission setting in all open network in my computer. So big multiple company using this type of network here. Okay, and again I'm click on here. So not need for username and password. So you can see just here. Uh, so you shut down and you start your computer. So again ask username, password. So that is very big. You can see just not again ask username, password. So start my calendar management, store my information of opposite company uh, information. So I'm just showing you control panel, and you can see here store already my other PC username and password here. And this is main reason is calendar manager always network working options here, and not need for again login to username, password. But you may be remove this information. So again password, username you must enter here. So calendar manager is important for network communication and network file sharing and folder sharing, and you share folder, receive time, username and password. So you can see here my username and password here. So but uh, this is a encryption of my password and not showing anything password because this is security for your computer. Maybe other person login in your computer, you share by username password here. So network engineer first completely create a network, create a server, completely settings here, and create group and anything. So network engineer directly this type uh, completely store these information in store information, username, password, not telling anything, not give information you. And you have only two information because this is a security for your computer. So first information, your computer username and password, and second is how can you receive your file, send your file. So this is a Windows operating system, you can see just here. So company is not directly using as a systems the system through other companies here. So you can see just I'm shared these my Windows 7 partitions here, and this Windows partition in you can see this video here. Okay, so I'm again receive these all document in my Windows 10. So this my opposite Windows 10 receive my this document Windows 7. So that is a network communication by I can receive and I can send my information. So this is all of data was here. My Windows 7 only this data here. Okay. So you can see this my I'm just start this video. Okay. So this is the start video is my Windows 7 computer data. So company in not directly this type of working. So you can see here, and this Windows 7 and other files here, folder here. So why I'm showing you this type, because you understand completely this my topic here, content manager, because content manager not directly accessed by your username and your password. You must enter your network and enter your group username and anything. So you can see just my this my photos here. I will these share and receive this my Windows 7 data. Okay, this is my Windows 7 data, and you can see just here copy here, and I'm going in this partition here. Okay, click on this partition and this in this folder. So I'm not directly you can see just I'm just showing you this pasting here, and watch my all of my photos here. So this data received by Windows 10 by network here. So you can see just my sharing first here. Just click on sharing and share, and click on here. You must click on here and click apply and OK. So any you change, apply and OK you must. So you first coming here this type showing gray out options here. So you come here and click on share and apply and OK. So that means you can see you share your data in your network. So any man woman coming or using a network, you can see here this is my all of Windows 7 data. So friends, I will continue this content manager, this Windows 7 data in how this using a Windows 7 data in Windows 10. So this is showing Calendar Manager Part 3. So this is a complete my Calendar Manager Part 2, and I will continue these all of settings and accessing these data in Windows 10 and Calendar Manager in Part 3. So thanks for watching my video. Click on subscribe button, click on like button, click on friends this my video. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.